All right, Chef Todd Leonard, UVU Culinary Arts. I've been a chef, professor, instructor. I'm in my 17th year. I've been cooking on professional stoves and professionally for 24 years, 25 years. I love the Proline. Are you kidding me? Look at that. I just got that installed today. Are you joking? Look at this. We're cooking a full dinner. Look at that. Guys, that's actually hot. Okay, we're not just filming and joking. These rolls, 100% baked right here. Look how even cooking. Look at the golden shine on that bread. Only with the Proline will you achieve such color. It's beautiful. Notice the ventilation. Extra thick insulation with a nice air gap. Heavy duty handles on this beauty. Okay, and the cool thing is, I'm not that tall, but I don't like to cook down here. Our feet adjust almost to 2 inches. So you can raise them up when you're leveling them out. You can get your stove up where it needs to be at your height. If you're short, no problem. You can bring it down. Almost 2 inches. It's way cool. So beautiful rolls, beautiful, wonderful steak, all the things you can do right here on the Proline. My favorite part really is the elevated racks. That is so cool because I cook with fire, guys. Look at this. Lots of fire, and that's gonna keep my pan from burning the stainless steel. Because in my home, I want it spotless. In my professional kitchen, I want it spotless. I know you like a clean stove. If you go with Proline, you're gonna get a step up on cleanliness. You're gonna step up on insulation. All of our knobs, heavy duty. But I'm telling you what, if you're buying a stove, I wouldn't go induction. I wouldn't go glass top. I would go fire, and I would be a professional. Choose Proline. I have Chef Todd, UVU Culinary Arts. Oh, baby.